Korean EVs are taking over American roads, but can they actually protect you when it counts? Let's find out. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button. Every week we put cars through the ringer so you know exactly what you're buying. The Kia EV6 came out strong in IIHS testing and earned a top safety pick plus, the highest rating the institute gives out. In the small overlap front test, the structure held up well with minimal intrusion into the occupant space. Side barrier and pole tests were solid too. Where it got slightly dinged was headlight performance on lower trims, some rated acceptable instead of good. But structurally, this car is genuinely safe. In the $35,000 to $50,000 range, it's one of the strongest EV buys right now. The EV9 is Kia's 3-row family hauler, and it just cleared NHTSA 5-star testing across the board, including 5 stars in both front and side crash categories. That's not easy for a vehicle this size. The high seating position and reinforced B-pillars did their job. Euro NCAP gave it 91% in adult occupant protection. The one weak spot noted across independent reviews was moderate whiplash protection in rear-end collisions, worth knowing if third-row passengers are part of your daily routine. The Ioniq 6 hit a perfect score in Euro NCAP adult occupant protection. 100%. That's not a typo. IIHS followed with a top safety pick plus. The structural cage is incredibly stiff. Door opening effort after impact stayed low, and headlights across all trims rated good, which is genuinely uncommon for this class. If safety is your top priority in a sedan-style EV, this is probably the one to beat right now. The Ioniq 9 is brand new, so full IIHS data is still incoming. Euro NCAP preliminary testing shows 90% in adult occupant protection, which puts it near the top of its segment already. NHTSA 5-star ratings are expected given the shared platform with the EV9. The structural design borrows heavily from the Ioniq 6's proven cage geometry. We'll update this the moment full results drop, but early signs are very good. Korean automakers are not playing around when it comes to safety. 3 of these 4 cars sit at the top of their class right now, and the 4th is tracking the same direction. If this video helped, subscribe. We cover new crash data every week, and the next one might be the car already sitting in your garage.